In this video, we will explain how to install the CSS series boundary microphone in a tabletop. First, drill a 24mm or 15/16 inch hole through the table. Then, remove the brass nut and bottom shock mount from the microphone. Keep the top shock mount on the shaft. Next, feed the cables and the shaft through the table until the microphone is sitting comfortably on the table. Feed the cables through the shock mount and the brass nut. Screw the brass nut all the way to the top of the shaft, securing the microphone to the table. Remember to only hand tighten the nut to keep the shock mount integrity. Next, use 2 short wood screws to secure the TSC1 under the table close to the CSS microphone. Finally, connect the RJ45 from the CSS to the TS-in port and the TS-out to your DSP or control system with a regular Cat5 cable. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website at clockaudio.com.